welcome to Geeklightful. I'm so happy to be able to take the time and make a video for you guys today because I've been so busy in December and then with the holidays and everything happening, and I'm also going to be super busy in January because of some new things happening in my life that are pretty exciting. So I might be repeating myself a lot if you've seen my other videos, but I went to Japan last October, and one of my favorite things in Japan are the dollar stores. They are called Daiso, and they have a lot of cute things, and I thought it would be nice to make a Daiso haul. So here is the bag with everything in it. I bought quite a lot of stuff, and this doesn't even include all the souvenirs that I brought back from my family and friends because I already gave them to them because it's been a while since I've been in Japan, and this bag has been laying around for all this time. So I wanted to show you everything that's inside and what you can find in a Japanese dollar store. So everything that I bought at the Daiso can be split in two categories. So the first one is everything that has to do with kitchenware or items that you would use in the kitchen, which I guess is the definition of kitchenware. And the second category is like arts and crafts and pretty much anything I like to do on my channel and share with you guys. So first I bought these miso bowls, which are super light and they're not the greatest quality of course, but they looked very traditional and pretty. And when I came back from Japan, I found some miso soup mix that you can just put into boiling water and you have like a miso soup. It's quite magical actually. I thought that these bowls would be great in my kitchen and remind me a lot of Japan. I had to show you guys how I make a miso soup. To make your soup, you have these two little bags here. This little bag is the miso paste. So this is what it looks like. You just kind of pour it into your bowl. It's not very yummy looking like this, but with the water it's super good. Then you add 2/3 of a cup of boiling water. Then I'm gonna add this little bag. So this is what you have inside the bag. It is so small, but wait till you see what happens when I put this in the water. Look at all this seaweed. It was super tiny in my hands. So here's another thing that's really typical in Japan is the bento boxes. Usually bento boxes are quite costly in Japan, so I thought I would buy this really cheap one just so I could make some little bentos once in a while and have my own bento box. So here it is. So here we have the little box and some clips on the side like this. So here you have some little sections that you can put different things in and decorate it, and then you can even open this and you have another section at the bottom. I'm thinking that that would be like a snack size for me because I do eat a lot, but I thought it would be nice to try to make my own little bento once in a while. In the Japanese culture, when they make bentos for their kids, people try to make them cute. So the Daiso has lots of different items that you can use to make your bento cuter. So this little puncher can help you cut out a smiley face into seaweed. So you can add your little smiley face on your rice balls and have an adorable bento box. At the Daiso, there are also a lot of these kind of toothpicks with little creatures on them. They're not very useful, but they do make your food look super cute, and I can't wait to try them. They're really adorable and they're all pretty different. I also bought this super cute rice mold shaped as a bunny. So when you make some curry, you can actually make a big like bunny shape of rice in the middle with your curry around it, and you can even cut out the details of the face with this cutter so you can use some cheese to make your bunny adorable. There are also these Hello Kitty cookie cutters that are so cute. I can't wait to use them and make some cookies. If I ever have the time to make those adorable cookies, I'll try to post something on my Instagram so you guys can see the results. One thing that I was pretty curious about is this easy sealer, which is supposed to reseal your bags of chips or any kinds of bags, I guess. I'm really curious to use this, so I'll try to include a little clip here of me trying it so we can see if it actually works. Okay, so I'm going to try and test this easy sealer and let's see if it works. Okay, here we go. So here it is. So the batteries are in, and we're gonna close this now. Put this on here. And now it should be ready. Oh my goodness, guys, it's actually working! Oh my gosh, I think it worked! Look at this! It resealed the bag! Okay. Ooh, it smells a bit, like burned plastic. Okay, I think it's not working anymore. So the verdict is that it did work at first, but then it kind of stopped working, so that's a bit sad, but it's okay. I had to try it and maybe it will work the next time. And one last thing that I had to buy is, of course, some chopsticks. These 4 sets of chopsticks have little polar bears on them, and it was $1 for this whole set. And I just couldn't resist buying these super cute Gudetama chopsticks. So that's it for everything related to kitchenware. So now it's time for the arts and crafts things. So one thing that's super fun about the Daiso is that you find these super cute needle felting kits that are so costly here in Canada. It's ridiculous. You would pay around like $10 or $15 at Michael's for this kit, and it's $1 there, so it's a really good bargain. And they have everything you need inside: the eyes, the little pins to make it in a keychain. If you guys would like to see me repeatedly poke myself with a needle trying to make this, I might try to make a video about it, but I really don't promise anything because I'm really bad at needle felting. Of course, if you go to a Japanese dollar store, you need to buy, well, you don't need to, but you can buy some origami supplies. And they also make some great gifts. These ones I had to buy because they had some little sweets on them, and they also have those printed sheets. So with this one you can make some bows that are supposed to be waterproof, and with this kit you can make all these different kinds of desserts. So of course I had to buy this, and I will have to show it to you guys once I make them. They also have a lot of supplies to make some deco sweets. So here I bought some little plastic sundae bowls, and I can fill them with this kind of fake frosting, and this fake frosting is super useful. I used it in my Pop-Tart tutorial, and they had many more cute stuff like ice cream cones and some tiny fruit slices or chocolates that you can put on top of your sundae. They also had a few of those cardboard kits. I chose the ramen noodle stand because I love food. I might make this kit as an ASMR video. I don't know about you guys, but I really enjoyed making the ASMR videos. They are so calming to me, and even when I'm editing it, I'm so relaxed and I'm having so much fun. So please let me know what you think about those ASMR videos in the comment section below. So I also found these super cute miniature foam rooms that you can build yourself. So first I have a shop kit, and this one is a room kit and a little cafe kit. So you guys might see them as an ASMR video or in my Instagram stories. They also have a lot of food keychains, and you can find some fake sushis, some little onigiris. I chose those little desserts one because I thought that they would make some cute gifts. And you can even take out like the little keychain and transform it into a necklace, which would look super kawaii. Last but not least, you can also find some adorable notebooks and so many stickers also. And the good thing about it is that they also don't take too much space in your luggage, and they make a super cute gift. So that's everything I bought at the Daiso. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to make more videos for you guys this year. I wish I had more time to make more of those for you guys. But thank you for your patience, and thank you for sticking with me. Even though I can't upload on a regular schedule anymore, I have one more Japan related haul that is coming up soon. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Have a beautiful day, and God bless you. Bye! Oh my gosh, the stuff in here is dusty because I've been back for so long. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. So much dust. So I also found, ooh,